Hello and welcome to Testing Android Apps. This is Jason where I'm testing Android apps so you don't have to. Let's see what we got at the Play Store on our wish list today. Alright. You guys want a color? Let's go ahead and check this one out. A coloring book for adults, paint, mandalas, and much more. Alrighty. But this is all stuff you guys can check out without installing. What I want to show you is what happens when you install and use it. So let's hope this isn't a very long one. It shouldn't take too long. While it's downloading, we'll go ahead and look around. And I'm uploading the last video. This is the last video right here. So it might download a bit slower at the moment. So there you got it. Apps, related apps you might also like. We'll be checking out all kinds of stuff in the future. Right now we're doing Colorfy, coloring book for adults, free. And it's 3/4 of the way done. Another friend request on Facebook. Speaking of Facebook, you can go ahead and follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Tumblr and Instagram and a couple others. Eventually I'll get around to making a global description for all my videos with all the contact information and everything in it. As it stands, it's a pretty unique email address if you want to contact me. And I'm not even going to try to say it. Let's go ahead and open this. Colorfy. Not exactly sure what's happening right now. Is it broken? Is it responding? Let's go ahead and wait. Give it a chance. Hope we don't have something bad. Let's go ahead and close the app. Let's just go ahead and start all over. Okay. Try to fire it up from the desktop, see what happens. Okay, so New Year, check out the basic free image today. No thanks. Yes, please. Let's go ahead and get the free image. And see if it even will get the free image. Alright. We're not gonna mess with it. Yes, I'm sure. Basic florals, animals. Ooh, there's a lion. You guys might get to watch me color a lion. I think that's what. Ooh, wait a minute. Patterns. Or animals. But gonna add animals here. Okay. We'll try free trial here. Let's see. Alright, we're going back out of this here. Well, hey, for everybody interested, there's my email address. See what I mean about it's kind of unique? Alright, let's see what's going on here. Let's close this out. I guess I don't get to color the lion. Intro volume. No. Let's go back here. Basic. They'll probably let us do basic. Let's color some flowers. Be available after this message. And what message is that? I'm beginning to think this isn't the greatest put together thing here. Oh, my girl would like that one. But we're going to try to go with the roses. After what message? Okay. Well, didn't like that. Doesn't give you a whole lot of much of nothing, really. I mean, this is cool, but it's just like a kaleidoscope effect. A lot like a kaleidoscope. Or spirograph. Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's back out of here and do something simple. Slices. That's interesting. Stickers. Okay, so we're gonna just do, yeah. Looks fun. Next. Yeah, I'm not seeing how I can actually color much of anything here. Are you sure you want to quit? Okay. Get inspired. I guess these are ones that other people have done. No notifications. Let's try one more time. Basic. After this message. Not getting it. Kitty in the pumpkin patch. Still not sure what message they're talking about. Maybe this. And again, the free trial. Well, there you have it, folks. Sorry to disappoint, but I can't get it to let me color anything. I mean, I had every intention on coloring a few pictures, or at least one, or some of one, or something, you know, just demonstrating the use of the app. But Let's try these other features here. Alright. Add text. Start coloring. Oh, okay. So we're actually going to get to color something. Maybe. Um, that's kind of cool. Oh, really? See, yeah. Yeah, this is free, all right. But, where's pink for the pig? Pink piggy. And we'll go with the goldish color. Oh, really? Not even gonna let me use the special colors. Free daily palette. Will let me use this one. We'll try to decorate the pig a little bit here. And nose in this color. There we go. So lighten up the pig a bit. Here's a pink pig. I need to find a golden color here. I guess this yellow is gonna have to work. Alright, pinch to zoom in or out. Gotcha. Alright, change my colors. Oops. That'll go away here in a second. I'll get a blue color. Yeah, let's just do all this in blue real quick here first. At least a lot of it. It looks like water splashing, so why not? Ah. At least it's got an undo. Let's go a darker blue for the drops here. It's not a horrible app in my opinion. It's not something I would spend much time with, I don't think. Let me go with some red for. And why not? not just get crazy in here. Yeah, I'm done. And these, of course, are probably going to cost money. No. Oh, wow. Yeah, let's go with that. Well, sure, if they want to. Eh, yeah, I guess I'll. What, on Instagram? Not loving it. Yeah, test results for. I gotta look and see what the name of this app is again. Colorfy, coloring book for adults. Colorfy. Is that it? Colorfy, coloring book for adults. There we go. Share to Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Oh yeah. Alright, share. Alright. So there we go. Let's go ahead and kill Instagram. It's back out of the share department here on this. Lettuce. Well, that was unexpected. Okay, so there you have it. The basic usage. A lot of stuff was cut off to me. Looks kind of cool, but I couldn't really check it out. There's my awesome WTF pig. Not sure what it's supposed to mean or whatever. I don't think it means anything. But there you go. There's Colorfy, coloring book app for adults. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and hope to see you next time. This has been Jason with testing Android apps so you don't have to.